Hey everyone, welcome back to channel, where we help you solve your car troubles step by step. Today, we're tackling the P2244 error code oxygen sensor reference voltage performance bank 1 sensor 1. If this code is popping up on your scanner, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. This error code typically means there's an issue with the oxygen sensor, its wiring, or the echo signal for bank 1, sensor 1. This is the upstream sensor near your engine. Ignoring this can hurt your fuel economy, emissions, and even engine performance. Check engine light is on. Decrease fuel efficiency. Rough idling or hesitation during acceleration. Increased emissions. OBD to scanner, multimeter, basic hand tool socket set, wrench. Replacement oxygen sensor if necessary. Safety gear, gloves, and safety glasses. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. Once the new sensor is installed, clear the code using your OBD to scanner and start the engine. Monitor the scanner to ensure the P2244 code doesn't return. Also, take the car for a test drive to confirm everything's running smoothly. And that's it. Fixing a P2244 code is straightforward with the right tools and a little patience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY auto repair guides. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.